So hello everybody. I'm not doing so much videos lately. I just uploaded one video like day before yesterday. So I'm back with the voiceover videos again. So today we are going to be rating my record is blocking something. EAS alarm. No, not actually. It's some message kind. So let's go. I actually like them a lot. Whoa. Oh my god. I'm getting scared. This is not a test. No, I finished my exams.
This message is being broadcasted by the USTF organization. At
Okay.
12:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects have struck the moon.
Wait.
Some
What?
of these objects have missed the moon and are now orbiting Earth. As of 1:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the moon has begun to glow a bright red and
No,
small
no.
tremors are being reported from all
What
over the
is
world.
this?
This broadcast will now relay instructions that will keep you and your loved ones safe.
Pass me menu. I
Do
think.
not go outside. Lock
Okay.
all doors and windows.
Doing it?
Lock yourself in a room with no windows.
Nope.
Cover your
I
ears.
can do it.
Keep your
Okay.
eyes shut.
I have
Make
headphones.
yourself as small as possible by going into the fetal
Doing
position.
it.
Do not open the door for anyone.
Wait, what?
If you have pets outside, leave them.
Wait.
Look at the moon.
No.
Look at the moon.
No.
Don't look at the night sky.
Huh? This is scaring me.
Ignore all outside noise.
We just heard
Do
one.
not look into
Grow! I'm standing in front of a mirror right now. So I think it's done by now. This scared me. Even it's just 1 and 50 seconds. I mean the last part was so scary. Look at the moon. Look at the moon. I kind of like it. But the crows shouting in the background just creeped me out more, and it just said ignore all outside noises. It's still shock. I can't stop laughing. Okay, so here's the original one, and I'm doing that as well. So let's go. Here we go. I hate ads a lot. Okay, so here's the original one. It's how many minutes? I don't know. It's like 1 minute. It's 1 minute. Okay, let's go. Here we go.
Based on factual people and events in the life of Melvin Purvis, G-Man.
Huh? No.
This message is being broadcasted to you by the USTF organization.
Yeah.
On April 12, 1972, 297 unidentified objects started to orbit the Earth.
Whoa.
5 of them struck the moon, in which the moon began to glow a bright red.
We saw that.
126 of the objects have entered the Earth's atmosphere. Reports from around the globe have confirmed all major cities and states have been struck by one, causing little to no damage. These objects have been reported as ovalish in shape with red lights surrounding the lower half.
Hey, UFO.
The USTF organization has classified this as a gamma level threat.
Oh my
This
god.
broadcast will now relay instruction.
What's this? No. Okay, so here's the third part. Where is it? I just saw it. Stand on it. So here we are, the third part. And imagine watching this every time. I'm
Color TV and piano to Barbara. The monthly payments to me. The uranium and our
free
uranium mine
real
to uranium
estate.
mine and the chef.
Top?
We already watched that one. Look for another.
Huh? What's happened?
How about this one?
What does it say on it?
It says June 12th, 1972.
Huh?
We ain't got nothing better to do. Let's stop it.
Okay. Oh my god. Is my laptop broken? Where? Yes. Yes. We expected this. Beat.
This message is being broadcasted to you by the
S. T.
organization.
And the
On
one we
June 12,
want to.
1972, an estimated 53% of the world's population has been converted or killed by the invaders.
We here at the USTF
are calling upon you to help fight. We are asking you to give your life so that we can pave a new road for humanity. So that the new generations long after us will not have to go through this. So that the new generations can...
Oh my god, what's happening to my headphones? No, no, no. Never. Ah.
This message will now relay instructions that will help you.
Again? Come on. Babe.
Make makeshift weapons such as spears made out of knives, duct tape, and a broomstick. Any blunt objects such as baseball bats, shovels, hammers, wooden fence boards. If you are in possession of any firearms, use them. Make every bullet count. If at all possible, do not go outside during the night. If it is an absolute, wear welder goggles or a welder mask. These have been proven to stop the conversion process and will allow you to freely roam the outside at night. Be wary of the ovalish objects that fly around at night. They can sense movement, so stay absolutely still when one is near. Avoid contact with the possessed. They have been corrupted and their free will has been stripped of them. Possessed die as easily as any human, so aim for the head. Do not hesitate, they are no longer people. Avoid mirrors at all costs. Mirrors are a gateway for the invaders to get in and out of your house. If possible, break mirrors from a distance. Breaking mirrors from 4 feet or less will result in your untimely demise.
Oh my.
No matter what ethnicity, sex, religion, culture, or tradition, we need you all to stand and help fight. Not for yourself, but for your race, the human race. This is our world, not theirs. Stand with us.
Imagine them
This
watching
message
this.
will repeat until we have one or until there is no one else to listen to it.
Huh? Wait, no. Dog?
I wonder what that was all about.
Maybe Grandpa's stories weren't crazy after all.
Come on now. We all knew he was crazy.
I know, but it all kind of makes sense. The government conspiracies. People forget it. Hell, even Grandpa being taken away.
I guess. But Grandpa got taken away by the God's hand.
Maybe that's what they want us to think.
Where,
I
what?
wonder who's up to there at this time.
Where, what? I'm like, that was completely unexpected, man. Unexpected in like, who knocked on the door like that? Maybe it's them. Okay, so that's it for today. I need to check on my headphones once again after watching this again. So, bye.